Whatever momentum the Quad Committee hearing has gained thus far is in danger of being lost with the impending session break. However, House leaders assure this will not be the case as they vow to continue to work even during the respite so that when sessions resumes, the goals of ferreting out the truth will not be as far-fetched. Mela Lesmoras has the details.
Ang layunin ng Quadcom walang iba, kundi ilabas ang katotohanan. Makakaasa kayo, mga kababayan, na itong Quadcom ay patuloy na maninindigan, patuloy na poprotektahan ang interes ng ating mga kababayang Pilipino. Yan po ang aming pangako sa inyo.
This was the assurance of House Quad Committee Lead Chair Robert Ace Barbers amid the ongoing hearings of their joint panel on illegal pogos, illegal drugs, and the alleged extrajudicial killings during the previous administration. Barbers said this during the mega panel's visit to the groundbreaking ceremony of Bawan Technical Integrated High School in Bawan, Batangas. House Speaker Martin Romualdez served as a main guest of honor in the event. According to Barbers, the House Speaker gave specific directives to the Quadcom, and these are the following.
Isa lang ho ang direksyon ng aming investigation. Mapanagot ang mga dapat managot at higit sa lahat, kami po ay makapagpanukala ng mga batas para ho sa kagandahan ng ating bagong Pilipinas.
In an earlier statement, House Quad Committee Co-Chair Bienvenido Abante Jr. stressed that even if Congress goes on recess, their hearings will still proceed. He emphasized it is important to identify who are the officials involved in illegal drugs, which is the end-all, be-all of the investigation. In connection with this, Abante also revealed the name of a general who allegedly helped former Iloilo City Mayor Jed Mabilog to avoid death and also warned him about the plan of the previous administration to order Mabilog to implicate certain personalities tied to illegal drugs. In Quadcom's hearing last week, Mabilog shared the ordeal he went through after being included in the illegal drug list of former President Rodrigo Duterte. Abante said Mabilog is referring to former PNP Chief Camilo Cascolan who died last year. In a separate statement of another Quadcom leader, Co-Chair Dan Fernandez said in their next hearings, the public can expect more information, new discoveries and revelations coming out.
We will be tackling siguro yung issue ni Garma, issue ng Pogo as well, yung kay Tony Yang, kasi na-apprehend na si Tony Yang.
Mela Lesmoras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.